The AFS Connect Magnum has a new display monitor called the AFS Pro 1200. Let's review the display screens. The AFS Pro 1200 screen layout is in sections: top bar, left-hand area, run screens or user-defined windows, UDW, and status area. Starting with the top bar, moving from right to left. Guidance Engage acts as a guidance status indicator and a button to engage and disengage auto guidance. When the steering wheel is blue, the system is ready, and when it's depressed and turns green, the system is activated. Operation screen, Field and Silo, allows you to view field information, as well as select your vehicle and product configuration. Let's complete an exercise. Scroll through the grower screen on the AFS Pro 1200, noting the grower information. Continue to scroll up to the tractor implement area and the guidance system area. Vehicle Settings. Arrow with Menu provides setup, diagnostics, and productivity card menus. The cards show system, tractor, implement, data, vehicle implement configuration, guidance, isobus connectivity, and work condition. Let's complete an exercise. Click on the tractor and scroll through the wizards on the right side. Vehicle Status. Speed Gauge. This screen displays input and output values for sensors on your machine. User Profiles allows the operator to create or modify user profiles. Clock can be set up on 12 or 24-hour display. Help and Manuals accesses manuals and videos on your display. Applications. The Application Manager allows access to individual applications on the display. Connectivity Status displays current signal strength of Wi-Fi and cellular connection. GNSS Status displays current signal status and number of satellites tracked. Work Condition. Faults and Warnings. Press this area in the top left-hand corner of the screen to access the Faults screen. Small I in blue circle. Needed information is available to the operator. Exclamation mark inside a yellow square. A fault has occurred and needs attention later. Stop sign. If illuminated in red, this means a critical fault has occurred and needs attention immediately. Let's complete an exercise. Select any one of the fault or warning icons to see the information being displayed. Left-hand area. The left-hand area is divided into two sections, upper and lower left-hand area. The upper left-hand area is created by the vehicle, which is the vehicle status for headland management control. Refer to the Vehicle Operator's Manual for more information on the subject. The upper left-hand area is always displayed, regardless of whether the operation screen is selected. The lower left-hand area consists of user-defined areas, UDWs, and is fully configurable. For example, by depressing and holding a Run button, the screen will become configurable. Functions can also be deleted from the screen. To bring a function back, simply touch the plus sign and select a UDW like Precision Farming, and then select Ground Speed. Exiting will save the new configuration. The bottom of the display is always visible and consists of the Run screen buttons, and can be renamed as well as reorganized to suit your operation. Notification bar is always visible at the right-hand bottom corner of the display. The far right icon is the notification icon, which will inform you if there are any new status changes or alerts available by a number indicated next to it. The notification icon is always visible. The status icons appear to the left of the notification icon, with the leftmost icon being the oldest. If there are more than 5 regular statuses, the 5 most recent icons appear.